Remember, we lost some 2 million jobs before COVID, and many of those had not been recovered.
Tibalo takamuva letivetwe be-Stats SA tikhomba kwehla kwelizinga lokweselwakala kwemsebenti kule kota yesithathu yeminyakatimali kanti akukehli kakhulu.
I-Green Tutu ayiphumeleli ukunika i-department ama-invoice abuya straight e-university.
Uhulumende wesifundza sasempumalanga uphenya tinsolo tekukhwabanisa nengohlakalo leteyamene nekuniketwa kwemfundzate kubafundzi labafundza eRussia. Kwaba kuhle kuphindze nihlangane nani etindzabeni telulwimi lesiSwati la ku-SABC1 asindvusele emakhaya. Khumbula ke ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala ku-YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba. Tibalo takamuva letivetwe be-Stats SA tikhomba kwehla kwelizinga lekwekweswelakala kwemsebenti kule kota yesithathu yeminyakatimali kanti akukehli kakhulu. Linani lebantfu labangasebenzi lima ku-32.9% kusuka ku-33.9% ekoteni leyengcile. Lokulishintsho lwa 1.0% points. Labatfolelana umsebenti bathi tinyenti tingcinamba letibukene nebaqashi ikakhulukati lokucinywa kwagesi ngenhloso yekumonga. Umkhakha wetekhiqida, tekuthengiselana, tekwakha netekutfutsa ngito letikhulise kakhulu ematfuba emsebenti.
Nanoma isibalo sebantu labangasebenzisi sehle kancane kepha sisetulu nawucathanisa nalamanye emave. Uma sicathanisa nalomnyaka lophele isibalo sebantu labangasebenzisi sikhule nga-1.5 million. Imikhakha likhombise ukukhula kwesibalo sebantu labasebenza ngomkhakha losemthethweni formal nalongekho emthethweni informal njengoba yenda 235,600 yemisebenzi. Akumangeke kube nemisebenzi kumkhakha lotimele nakumkhakha wetekulima.
Remember, we lost some 2 million jobs before COVID, and many of those had not been recovered. So it is still very much a stepwise approach to try and return some of those jobs.
Tingaphandle tisita kutfola imisebenzi tithi lo mkhakha wetemisebenzi ushintshile kanzi ne-COVID-19 isifakile isandla kuloku.
Current trends in the market is you'll see that there's certain industries that are booming at the moment. For example, IT is booming, sales is booming. So we do see that at the moment. But we also see a little bit of a change in the employment and the way it's done. For example, COVID has changed a lot of things.
Ngekusho wasomnotho wase-Nedbank kutfolakala kwemisebenzi kusengacaci njengoba tinto time emandondolwane. Njengoba umnyaka sevele uphela labo labasita abantu ngekutfola umsebenzi bacushise abantu ngetindlela tekutfola umsebenzi.
Google Jobs is really a nice platform to work on. They mainly deal with recruitment agents and not third-party websites.
Umnotho kulinzeleke ukuthi wehle uma ku2% kude kube ngo-2025.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi umklamo wekhiqida emandla i-green hydrogen energy utawakha ematfuba emsebenti uhehe batshalidi imali uphindze ulethe intfutfuko etfundzeni letisemaphandleni. Ramaphosa bekakhuluma ngalesikhathi kuvulwa ngalokusemthethweni umbuthano wemalanga lamathathu we-green hydrogen eKapa. Mengameli uthi lelive libone i-green hydrogen njengaletinye tindlela letine letingasita lelive kuletinkinga temandla letibukene nalo.
Because the two of you
Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi isicwangciso somzantsi Afrika samandla acocekileyo kwanokucutha ukungcoliseka komoya kuza kufuna iibhiliyoni zeerandi. Oku kungelixa elilizwe lizilungiselela ukuba libe ngumvelisi wehlabathi kunye nomrhwebi kumazwe angaphandle wamandla aluhlaza. Nakuba kunjalo kukho ixhala lokuba olutshintsho lubeke sichengeni imisebenzi yabantu kwishishini lamalahle njengoko elilizwe lixhomekeke kakhulu kumalahle njengovimba wamandla. Kodwa umongameli uthi kuza kuxhamla wonke umntu kolutshintsho.
We want this just transition to leave no one behind. It needs to address the needs of workers. It needs to address the needs of communities that are affected, but more importantly, it also needs to lead to economic development. We must see sub-industries spawning in the areas where we are going to have these projects implemented.
Amandla aluhlaza aquka ukufunqwa kwamandla emanzini kusetyenziswa ilanga okanye umoya. Kwaye ezinye zeedolophu eziselunxwemeni kweli lizwe kuquka nephondo lomntla koloni ziza kuba ziindawo ezishishina ngalamandla.
The potential for green energy to become a thriving sector in South Africa's economy is huge.
Inyathelo elilandelayo kukuba eli lizwe lithengise esisicwangciso sokuba ngumvelisi wamandla aluhlaza ophambili ehlabathini. uRamaphosa uxelele abathunywa kule ngqungquthela ukuba uMzantsi Afrika ulilizwe elilungileyo nelifanelekileyo nelikulungeleyo ukwenza ushishino. Ndingulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Lilunga lesigungu lesetulu se-ANC eMpumalanga Kapa Andile Lungisa lithi litawufaka sicelo kusigungu lesetulu salenhlangano velonke ukuthi sibukete kumiswa kwakhe nakubanjwa inkomfa ye-55 yakhetha ubuholi balenhlangano. Bulunga balungisa bahociswa sigungu lesiconsisa tigwegwe ku-ANC kulesifundza ngemva kwekuthi aboshwe iminyaka lemibili ngekushaya lilunga le-DA.
Ingxaki zika-Andile Lungisa zaqala ngethuba ebetha uceba we-DA uRhino Kaiser ngejagi yamanzi yeglasi kwintlanganiso yebhunga ngo-2016. Wagwetywa iminyaka emibini entolongweni ngezisehlo. Kodwa wabhandinda iinyanga ezintathu kwisigwebo sakhe emva ukukhulwa kwakhe. Wanqunyanyiswa njengelungu le-ANC. Wabhena kwezi sigqibo kwikomiti kazwelonke yezoluleko eyagweba ngecala lakhe. Kodwa ikomiti yoluleko yezibheno yaziguqula esi sigqibo.
Therefore, the appeals process has run its own race, and therefore, what is left of us as the Provincial Executive Committee is to implement fully the outcomes of the NDCA outcomes.
Ulungisa ukwajonga nokukhuphisana kwisikhundla sikanondyebo kule nkomfa ezayo ebesanda kwanyulwa njengelungu leqoqo lephondo kwinkomfa yonyulo yephondo. Uthi ukunqunyanyiswa kwakhe indlela yokuguzula abangahambisani neenkokheli ezikhoyo.
Ayikho i-appeal. Ndiyayazi ke kwakukho kudala obatywala kwakuthiwa iqelika. Abantu xa bebisele abakwazi noba ungabavuthela. Ndizama ukuthi ke butywala engabiseliyo iqelika. Mna ndiyayazi i-organization ne-internal processes ze-organization zihamba njani. Ndizawuhlala kuzo, andizuziviolate.
Ku-2017 uLungisa wanyanzelwa ehle njengosihlalo we-ANC kwingingqi eNelson Mandela Bay ngenxa yokuphula umgaqo-siseko we-ANC. Wacela umngeni kwisikhundla soba ngusihlalo ngelixa wayelilungu lekomiti yephondo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumcebisi Nqena ndiseMpuma Koloni.
Hulumende wesifundza saseMpumalanga uphenya tinsolo tekukhwabanisa nengohlakalo leteyamene nekuniketwa kwemfundzate kubafundzi labafundza eRussia. Loku kuta ngemuva kwekuthi imfunankulu wesifundza Refilwe Mthweni Tsipane atfole ukuthi labanye balabafundzi labatfola lo mfundzate bakulamanye emave, labanye batihlobo tebantfu labasebentela hulumende kanzi labanye bachamuka kuletinye tifundza. Kuleli viki leliphelile Mthweni Tsipane wavakashela eRussia ngemuva kwekuthi atfole tikhalo letinye kubafundzi mayelana nekungakhokhelwa ngesikhathi imali yesikolwa kanye nemali lekumele baphilise ngayo.
Kusukela ngomnyaka wa-2016 sifundza seMpumalanga sithumela abantwana labaphase kahle kuma-matriculation labaphuma emakhala adla imbuya ngeluthi eveni laseRussia ukuthi bayofundzela ubunjinela kanye nobudokotela. Kepha lo mklamo wokubhadalela abafundzi labafundza emaveni angaphandle ube netinkinga tisasuka ebhandeni. Bangatuli kwamakhulu amabili bafundzi labafundza eRussia. Labafundzi basola letiko letemfundo ngekuhluleka ukubabhadalela imali yokufundza kanye nemali yokuphila. Batali balabafundzi bafuna timphendvulo kuleli tiko letemfundo.
Lokhona ukuthi one of the student has been expelled ku-accommodation lahlala khona kwamanje usikwathile nama-friends wakhe and njengoba simela sithole i-report late nebantwana lesebe-expeliwe from esikolweni labayi-4 and the department is dragging feet on that one.
When they went to Russia, the government promised us, for instance, I was the one who was speaking on behalf of the government, thanking them for taking our kids to Russia. But now what is happening really is a disaster. And honestly speaking, they are not disgracing us only. They are also disgracing the country at large. Where is our country now that we voted for? What is happening now? Now our kids are told that they are going to expel them on the 1st.
Vunangulo Bafundzi refile Tindzaba usula tisebene tikhohlakele letacashwa kutsi tibukele umklamo. Uthi le nkampani leyenta lo monakalo beyisebenzisana lenye inkampani leseRussia ukuthi ibhadalise leli tiko timali letishisiwe.
I-Green Tutu ayiphumeleli ukunika i-department ama-invoice abuya straight e-university. Ama-invoice abawakhiphayo, ma-invoice la bona kubonakala ngathi bathetha ama-invoice wase-university base bayatshintsha-ke basenzela wabo bona ama-invoice as if ngazothi bona bangama-university basithumelela lawo and then-ke bese lawo ama-university abawathumela. Yilana kuye kwaba khona nenkinga khona kwazanywa soloko kuyaxoxiswana ukuthi akulungisweni le ndaba lama-invoice thola ukuthi ayenzakala.
Tindzaba uthi inkontileka yale nkampani ngeke ivuselelwe ngemva kokuthi iphelelwe ngesikhathi ekucaleni kwalomnyaka. Uthi sebasukumisela uphenyo lapho kusamiswe sisebenzisinye emsebentini. Tindzaba uthi kutholakele ukuthi labanye balabafundzi bahlomula ngalungekho emthethweni kulomfundzati. Uthi labasihlanu bafundzi bachamuka emaveni angaphandle.
Okunye sikutholayo abanye abantwana baseLimpopo, abanye baseGauteng, abanye abantwana bama-officials. Okuyinkinga kakhulu kithi lokho.
Imali elinganiselwa ku-28 million emarandi ithunyele etikweni letebudlelwane nemave angaphandle kusita ukuthi babhadalele abafundzi imali abayigolodako.
Mbukeli sikubutile ukuthi kungentiwa tabadini ukuthi kulungiswe isimo senhlalo yabantwana labathunyelwa nguhulumende eRussia ukuze bayofundza ubudokotela.
Mina ngithi kushintsha lesimo uhulumende kwamele ende taba ekutheni le mali yatholakala kuze ukuthi bafundze kahle bakhona ukuthuthukisa izifundo zabo bathuthuke baye embili kulamakhono lawo labanawo bangahlali bafundzi bangaqhubeki.
Bekungasiza kakhulu ukuthi imali bayibhadale iphelele umfundi ngamunye haya amathozitozi ngoba yiwo agcina ayinikeza inkinga.
Uhulumeni vele emsakazi udlala ngezingane zomuntu omnyama ngoba akakwazi ukuthi angazithuma le Cuba athi azambe zefunda at the end of the day bese akasanayo imali yokuthi abakhokhele. Kubuhlungu kakhulu lokwenzeka ngani ngoba lamanye amazwe ahlukumeza lezi ngane mase singasakwazi ukuthi sifande lapho zikho. So ngendlela mina ngibona ngayo ayiyekwe yonke lento le. Kubuhlungu kakhulu ingane yakhe yohlala eCuba ungakwazi ukuyibuyisa ngamalini umzali ontulayo.
Uhulumeni uma ithumela abantu kulezi ndawo la kuCuba nakwamanye amazwe kufanele ebe nebudget eyanele. Angeke ukuthi athi ingane uyoyiphose emazweni ingenayo ibudget eyanele. So uhulumeni kumele size izingane zingagcini emazweni zishiye sehlupheka thina sezenza izinto ezisnacks ukuthi bethola imali yama-rent nemali zokwenza izinto.
Luphiko lwema-Hawks lolubukene nengohlakalo seludle impahla lengetulu kwa 1.8 billion yamarandi leyamene nengohlakalo yesikhwama sekutakula labo labakhahlametwe yi-COVID-19. Lokho kuvele ngesikhathi inhloko yema-Hawks Lieutenant General Godfrey Libeya akhulumisana nebetindzaba ngemphumelelo leseyendiwe ngiloluphiko.
Ekotini esibili eminyaka Tibalo 2022-2023 kubonakale kuboshwa bosola bangamakhulu lasiphohlongo namashobili nesikhombisa kwaseva ngamakhulu amabili neshumi nesikhombisa bathola namacala afakhe ebugebengu lokuhleliwe amacala amabhizinisi nengohlakalo.
The majority of arrests emanate from serious organized crime investigation with a total of 524 arrests. The serious commercial crime investigation component is following with 206 arrests. While the serious corruption investigation secured a total of 97 arrests, which makes up to that 827 of the arrest on national priority offenses.
General Libeya uphindze bemetela kucwa kwesicelo enhloko yema-Hawks Lieutenant General Spesihle Nkosi.
General Nkosi has been in the serious commercial crime environment. He have got experience of investigation of fraud cases as well as commercial crime. In addition to several certificates that he is having behind his name, he have got a diploma in police administration. He have got 2 honors degrees, that is a Bachelor of Technology in Policing as well as a Bachelor of Laws.
Uyawuphindze niketa imininingwane ngenqubekela impilo sento eliphiwe ludla impahla lethwala endlela ngasito.
30 preservation matters to the value of 70.3 million, 8 confiscation orders to the value of 9.2 million, and 20 forfeiture orders to the value of 16.1 million. These are the matters that we work closely with the asset forfeiture unit.
yema-Hawks avumile ukuthi ngohlakalo ibonakala itawuba nebungoti lobukhulu kuleli. Uyawuphindze wathile uphiko lwamacala lasetulu lisehlelweni lokuvala tikhaya timcoka kuqinisekisa ukuthi amacala afana lawo kusetshenzwa ngawo ngendlela lefanele.
Mengameli wemajaji eNtshonalanga Kapa John Hlophe sewuniketwe lithuba lesibili lekufaka sicelo sekubuketwa kwelicala lakhe enkantolo yekubuketwa kwemacala eBloemfontein. Sewuniketwe titetibe nge-21 ngabhimbidvwane eminyakeni lotako ukuthi afake lesicelo. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi bameli bakhe baphikise isinqumo lesathathwa yi-Judicial Service Commission kwekuthi yagudludwe esikhundleni sakhe.
Abameli bahlophe babhalele enkantolo ephakeme kubuketwa inqumo ukuthi baphindze bangetelwe isikhathi. Lokhu emva kokuthi bashawe isikhathi lapho bangetelwe khona ngenyanga yemphala ngenxa yokubambela ekuxhasweni ngetimali. Labameli bacele kufikela kumhla til-15 lenyanga letako kepha inkantolo banikete kufikela kumhla til-21 kubhimbidvwane eminyakeni lotako. Ikomishana yemthetho kuleli yathola Hlophe nelicala nga-2021 ngenyanga yengci lapho khona kuthiwa wafuna kungenelela emsebentini wamajaji amabili ngekuthi aphule umthetho wokuphatha elizabeni lemacala ngohlelo bekazabekwe mengameli waphambili Jacob Zuma nga-2008. Lo mnyaka wacwaninga enhlanganweni lebuke kusebenza kwemthetho kuleli judges matter Mbekezeli Benjamin uphawulile kuloludzaba lwaHlophe.
We are concerned about the delays that have happened in this case. This is the second time that he has been given an extension. Often extensions are given when there is a problem with the preparation of the court record, and we are not sure whether this relates to that issue. Nevertheless, we believe that there is no legal impediment from the president taking action to suspend Judge Hlophe. We understand that there have been new allegations that have surfaced about his conduct, and we hope that the president will take action to place Judge Hlophe on suspension to stop the further damage to the reputation of the judiciary.
Judges matter ithi ikhola ukuthi mengameli Lungisa Hlophe emsebentini kwendlela kukhalima ukuchubeka ukucekeleka phansi kwesifundisi semthetho kuleli.
Nasivakashele emakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi lehlile naliqathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Tikucala mphatalo muhla asiphindze futhi sihlangane ngalokutako ngemva kwetitolo simo selitulu siyalandzela ngisale kahle.